After US President Donald Trump announced tariffs, specifically 25% tariffs on steel and aluminium imports, Trump's tariffs have hurt the markets and the rupee. We're seeing that the Sensex has slided over 400 points and gold rates, however, have hit a record high. My colleague Sakshi joins us with more details. Sakshi, take us through the impact on the Indian markets as well as the Indian rupee after Trump's tariff announcements.
Absolutely. US President Donald Trump's latest move to announce 25% tariffs on steel and aluminium imports have hurt stock markets globally as well. Indian markets, we have seen the Nifty and the Sensex decline over 0.5% in trade. We've seen the Indian rupee weaken to a record low, and we've seen gold prices surge to a record high, past that 85,300 mark per 10 grams. So experts believe volatile times ahead in the near term. Experts also feel the uncertainty of the US trade policy, the constant back and forth is now weighing on sentiment. So we have seen a weak session of trade for markets, initially in trade across the board. So stock markets being impacted by this latest move by Donald Trump. Remember, of course, this is in a sense a blanket move towards these products, and so therefore India is not insulated from the impact. Therefore we've seen the impact on India's stock markets. We've seen the impact on India's currency as the dollar index continues to surge as well. So that's also weighing on the Indian currency. Remember, consistent foreign capital outflows also continues to weigh on the currency. So while we do say that, a depreciating currency helps domestic exporters at large, it is the fact that, look, the currency is at the moment being impacted, stock markets are being impacted, and gold prices are continuing to surge because we're living in uncertain times as this trade policy, the US trade policy, continues to witness a new statement, a new announcement each day. We are seeing the impact across asset classes.